Big congratulations and a warm welcome to the Jio family. Here's your chance to earn big from your very first month. Yes, you can earn up to 20,000 rupees. Let's see 4 simple ways to earn. First, by earning base points on MNP. Second, by earning bonus points. Third, by earning day booster on daily participation by doing 3+ MNP every day. Fourth, festive booster by scoring more than 150 points. Now let's see them one by one. Every MNP you do is equal to 1 base point. Each point is worth 20 rupees. Here's where it gets exciting. Once you cross 100 points, your points double automatically. No bonus points below 100 points. Let's see it by example. If you earn 100 points, you also get 100 bonus points. That's 200 points total. Remember, each point is worth 20 rupees. That means 20 rupees multiplied by 200 is equal to 4,000 rupees. If you earn 200 points, you also get 200 bonus points. That's 400 points total. Remember, each point is worth 20 rupees. That means 20 rupees multiplied by 400 is equal to 8,000 rupees. Now let's move to the next booster, Daily Active Bonus. Stay active by doing 3 or more MNPs in a day for at least 10 days in a month. Each active day gives you 100 rupee extra. 10 active days multiplied by 100 rupees is equal to 1,000 rupee extra. And now, the most exciting part, the festive booster. Once you reach 150 points, you get 500 rupee extra. And every 50 points more, your bonus doubles. With 150 points you get 500 rupees. With 50 more points, that is 200 points, your earnings increase by 2x, that is 1,000 rupees. With 50 more points, that is 250 points, your earnings increase by 2x, that is 2,000 rupees. With 50 more points, that is 300 points, your earnings increase by 2x, that is 4,000 rupees. Maximum festive bonus will be 4,000 rupees. Now let's see your total earnings. If you do 5 MNPs a day, that's 150 in a month. Base points, 150. Earnings from base points, 150 points multiplied by 20 rupees is equal to 3,000 rupees. Bonus points, 150. After 100 base points. Earnings from bonus points, 150 points multiplied by 20 rupees is equal to 3,000 rupees. Active days bonus, 30 days multiplied by 100 rupees is equal to 3,000 rupees. As you have done 150 points, so your festive bonus will be 500 rupees. Total 9,500 rupees. Yes, 9,500 rupees in a single month. If you do 10 MNPs a day, that's 300 in a month. Base points, 300. Earnings from base points, 300 points multiplied by 20 rupees is equal to 6,000 rupees. Bonus points, 300, after 100 base points. Earnings from bonus points, 300 points multiplied by 20 rupees is equal to 6,000 rupees. Active days bonus, 30 days multiplied by 100 rupees is equal to 3,000 rupees. As you have done 300 points, so your festive bonus will be 4,000 rupees. Total 19,000 rupees. Yes, 19,000 rupees in a single month. So, start your month with a bang. Work smart, stay consistent, and make this festive season your biggest earning month ever.